Sorry about that. I've got this BS resin, UV resin that I just got off Amazon. Put my glasses on. This is gonna kind of seem weird, but just gonna do some wavy lines. Okay, they're random thin. I'm just gonna give them a second to kind of break apart a little bit. Okay, like that, that. Sorry. The first one is a little thicker and it was bugging me. Now then. Again, we'll just give that a second for them to break apart a bit. Like that. And then I'm going to just put it under the UV light. And let it cure. Okay, I've got mica powders from Let's Resin. This one is the coffee. This one is the brown. You can see both of those. And then I've got the Mad Micas Sexy Stranger on the Train. I don't know what I got, but it's gorgeous. From my friend Cindy. Alright, so I'm going to start backwards. I'm going to start with the coffee. Opened it really carefully and it's still stuck in the lid. So don't open it over the mold. Still stuck. Alright. I'm going to start with the edges in this coffee. Now, with the Mad Micas. Oh, that is stunning. Mm. Okay. I always encourage y'all to, when you're dusting micas, dust them all around. What I mean is, from every angle. Don't just do straight line. You'll see that in the finish. Okay. Notice I just do at first a pouncing just because I don't really want to smear that other mica powder too much. Okay. I see one thing. And y'all are probably all yelling at me. Okay. Finish out the rest of this. Okay. No idea what to expect. I've just got the Alumilite black dye. Which is kind of like the casting craft. It's really thick and really concentrated. Okay. This is the last of my resin. Oh yeah. Alright. There we go. I'm sure a lot of resin, mica's gonna float up and stuff like that. That's okay. Alright. I have a bunch of these somewhere. Do I know where they're at? No. I'm gonna let this cure, and I'll be back. Okay, it's the next morning, see what we got. I remember I did not fill this one all the way, but we'll be doing a top coat and stuff, so. Forgot about the milk. Alright. Okay, now, the one thing that I'm not wild about, so I'm not wild about that green flash coming off that coffee color. But the raindrop effect worked really well. Okay, the sides are all nicely covered. Let me look for a second. Yeah, that coffee color, it really just turns green. If you hold it at an angle, it's like a color shift color. If I hold it at an angle, I can see the coffee color. But when you look at it dead on, it is green. So we'll have to see what we can do about that, won't we? Okay. Now these little holes, little bubbles right here where I had to redo the UV resin. When you put the UV resin on your mold, cure it less than you think it will need. Not to where it's still sticky, but don't be tempted to cure it from the other side yet. Okay? Because that's what will make it release from the mold. Alright. I'm impressed, even though I'm not liking the color. The green color. I'm loving the rest of the color. Man, it's so nice. Alright. Stay tuned. This is still not the end. This is what we got so far. Now, keep in mind, the coaster will be thicker. We got that. Oh, that is gonna be so cute. And we got the let's put it on this side for now. And then we'll have the tombstones. I'm gonna make a silicone mold from Amazing Mold Putty, and then we'll pour these in like a gray color. Okay, and then we'll put our glow-in-the-dark rocks around to finish out the phone holder part. Okay. Jewelry holder, trinket dish, phone holder. And if there's room, slight disappointment in my voice, but we'll fix that. Okay? I'm gonna try some ideas. maybe some mixed media or something to fix that. And to make it look more like a graveyard. Alright, so I've got a Amazon shop where I'll have listed the mica powders, resin dyes, glitters, all that kind of stuff that I use. The UV resin, regular resin, silicone, all of that's listed there. Let's do this. I'm thinking you're not getting enough contrast on the black. Okay, sorry about that. I had to sneeze. Alright, so thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And thank y'all for stopping by. Bye for now.